In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your OpenCode API key. So for example, if you want to connect this OpenCode Zen provider over here to your app, and I'm going to click on connect, it's going to ask you for the API key, and you can find it basically on this website. So you can go to opencode.ai, you want to click on this Zen over here at the top, you want to click on get started with the Zen. And here you can see your default API key, so you can copy this one, or you can go to API keys and you can create a new one as well. So you can name it, for example, test, and you can create it over here. You can also delete the keys from the right side menu, and now we can paste the key in our app. I'm gonna paste it in, continue, and OpenCode is connected. Now we can type in the chat model. I'm gonna type model, and you can see all of the OpenCode Zen models which you can use, and that's basically how you can find your API key on OpenCode. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.